Hello, my friends. Welcome to my kitchen. Boy, fall has hit my area and it feels so good outside. It's so nice and cool. We're supposed to get down to 49 tonight. And I'm going to tell you what, I love fall and I love winter because I'm always hot. And this time of year, I feel so good. So we're going to make a big pot of ham, potato, chowder in the crock pot today. And this is such a good recipe. I've been waiting for it to cool down so I can make this soup. So let me just share with you the ingredients. It's so easy. You just dump it in your crock pot, let it cook. So I have a container of chicken broth. So I'm going to pour that in the crock pot. Okay, and I have some already sauteed onions and celery. I cooked that ahead of time just to soften a little bit, and that is going in the crock pot. Okay, I have a can of cream of bacon soup. If you have ever tried this, you'll know how good it is. Usually this recipe calls for cream of chicken, but I want that smoky bacon taste. So I'm going to use the cream of bacon, 1 can. Okay, and I'm going to give that a stir. All right, and now we are going to add in, I did not have any fresh carrots, but I have my dehydrated carrots. And I've got a video on that. I'll link it below, but these are so good and easy. And I'm just going to toss in some carrots. I'm going to toss in a can of corn. And then here is the diced ham. I used 3 russet potatoes, and this was some ham I had left over. So I chopped it up finely, and we're going to drop that in here. But this is going to be so good, y'all. This is one of my favorite soups. And that is a delicious smoked ham. It tastes so good. So we're just going to stir all this together. And then I'm going to cut up in chunks a bar of cream cheese, and we're going to add that to this. So we'll get this going, and then right before it's time to serve it, I will pour in some shredded cheddar cheese and then let that cook for a little bit and stir it all together. So this is going to be so good. Let me get you a close-up shot of how beautiful this soup is. So, country ham, potato soup, it's going to be good. Okay, I've taken that bar of cream cheese and I've just cut it up into small pieces. That just helps it to dissolve better into the soup, and then I'm going to stir it all in, and boy, does this make it nice and creamy and delicious. All right, I set the crock pot on high for 4 hours, and I've stirred all that cream cheese in. I'm going to put the lid on it and then let it cook for the day. All right, it's cooked for 3 hours and about 45 minutes, and that's what it looks like. Everything's done. So I'm going to add in a heaping cup of shredded cheddar cheese and just let that melt. I'll put the lid back on and let it cook for another 15 minutes. All right, the soup is done. It's a beautiful golden color. Potatoes, the corn, the carrots, and the ham are all cooked and ready to eat. This is going to be such a good supper. All right, I'm just going to top it with a little more cheddar cheese. I just love cheddar cheese. And then I served it with some hot garlic bread, and boy, was it good.
It's good.
I'm going to leave this recipe in the description box below for you to give it a try, and also check out my soup playlist. I'll also leave that in the description box. It's soup time, y'all, and this is a good one. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Have a blessed day.